Okay guys, we're gonna do a quick video today. Thought it'd just be a kind of cool thing. This is the fuel filter from my 2002 BMW 530. I haven't replaced it since I got the car, and I guess I kind of assumed that it had been replaced at one point in its life, but apparently it wasn't. So this is an original. It's dated September 24th, 2001 it looks like. So I don't think that'll show up on the camera. I think I snagged a picture of it. Yeah, it's not gonna autofocus. It's hard to see. I think I snapped a picture of it too, so maybe I'll pop that up like right here, something just to show it. But honestly, we're just gonna try to take this thing apart. I feel like cut it open and look at it, see what it looks like inside. I mean, this thing is well worn. I'm actually pulling the one hose off the top here, and you can see that the inlet just disintegrated. It's still in that. So looks like there's a clip holding this vacuum diaphragm in the top here. We'll start with that. And now, if you're gonna do something like this at home, be very cautious, because this thing has been full of fuel, and however you're trying to cut it open, you're probably gonna get sparks, or whatever, it could possibly explode. I have fire extinguisher and a bucket of water here just in case. It's been sitting for a couple days trying to air out and still get a couple random drops of fuel out of it, and the element here is probably still soaked with fuel. So just be very cautious. All right, let's have at it. It is black, and just, I don't think this was filtering anything out. All right, guys. So here it is. This is a 215,000 plus mile, 16-year-old fuel filter that came on my BMW. This is bad. Do not let these filters go. Remember to replace them. It's usually cheap. This car, it's I think about $100 for the BMW part, but after 16 years and just how crappy it is, don't let these things go. Make sure you replace your fuel filter. Anytime you buy a car, just replace it. If you have no idea, replace all your filters so you know and you can feel comfortable that they're new. I can only imagine this car is going to drive a hell of a lot better when I get it back on the road. This is gross. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Just keep on wrenching.